Hello guys, good afternoon from Portugal. Hola a todos. Bom dia. Vamos chegar a ganhar. Hoje eu tenho o número 17 e 18. Okay. Estrelas de sorte, guys, means lucky stars. How to win in this ticket? Outside Portugal, we're looking for 3 like symbols. Acorn, €5, key, €10, a clover, 20, 7, 50, rainbow, 100, horseshoe, 200, beetle, 500, chapuis de sorte or lucky hat. It's the claimer, 1,000, and the ladybug, 5,000, and the jackpot is star. Okay, that's winning in this ticket are 1 in 3.43. I only bought 2 because I don't want to spend money, guys, because normally I don't win. So I'm gonna use the normal €1 coin. Maybe it's lucky, maybe no coffee money for today. Okay, and in the bonus area, guys, we're looking for 3 stars symbol. Ticket number 17. Now, three like symbols, guys, to win. And the annoying barcode in the middle of the game. No. I thought it's 3 stars, 50,000, guys. No. Jesus. In the middle of the game, my phone stopped working. And no. Let's hope in the bonus area. No. This set, no. How about 18? My lucky number. Okay. Oh meu Dios. Sure, it's winner. Ay, Jesus. I know it's a winner, guys. This is €5 win. Okay. €5 win. Sure, it's winner. €5. No doubt it's a winner. Okay. The most annoying on playing lottery tickets, guys, when they put the lottery code and we know already how much it is, so it lost excitement. Okay, so now I got only 1 win and the bonus for sure there's nothing. Okay, so I spent 10 and I got back €5, of course. What else? Okay, bye. So I got half of my money, guys. I got this annoying symbol. I called it annoying because it's only €5 and they call it a winner. It's not a winner. You just get back your money, so it's not a winner. Okay? Okay. Bye. Have a nice day. Ciao. Thank you for watching. Obrigada a todos. Ciao.